Janet Blutter-Schiff and Lynn Boutros for the Welcome Lobby.
The Designer on Call program is going to be headquartered here. So we wanted a space that was inviting. Now we wanted it to be sort of neutral in some sense. Also a place where consumers can come in and meet with our concierge, get themselves set for their day at the Mart or future design help.
We love the fact that this room has been so timeless. This is the third year that the Welcome Lobby actually has had a lot of the similar material, but
this year in the Design Center was opening one of our favorite sources, Maya Romanoff, and just take a look at the walls. They're very special. It's a product we have used and loved.
And then the Ann Sachs
the floor
marble tile that's really been the foundation for our room.
Yes, Edelman leather is our entire sectional.
The console, which was helmet chain, that is featured in the A. Rudin showroom.
And then Val Cucine. I mean, they're here in the Mart. The table actually opens. And of course, Knoll, good classics, the Bertoia chairs.
And our Andrew World chairs, which actually was a commercial product.
And it's the main lobby, the first thing you see, the first thing everybody walks through, and it's lasted. And just with the change of the walls, if you look at other years, it just gives a completely different feeling.